Welcome to this video. Today we will discuss the local pack in Google search results. If you run a business targeting customers in a specific location, the local pack can significantly boost your visibility and bring in more customers. The local pack is a section in Google search results that displays the top 3 local business listings related to search query. It appears with a map and essential business details like name, rating, address, and phone number. The local pack usually appears when someone searches for a business or service with local intent. For example, searches like dentist in Jaipur or restaurants near me will often trigger the local pack. Each local pack listing shows key details including the business name, star ratings, number of reviews, address, phone number, opening hours, and a link for direction or the website. The local pack is important because it appears at top of search results and gets a higher share of clicks. Being listed here increases your visibility, credibility, and chances of attracting nearby customers. To rank in the local pack, optimize your Google business profile. Maintain NAP consistency, collect positive reviews, use local keywords, and build high-quality local backlinks. Google considers 3 main factors for local pack rankings: relevance, distance, and prominence. Relevance matches your business to the search query. Distance refers how close your business is to the searcher. Prominence is your online reputation and visibility. Being featured in the local pack can drive more website visits, phone calls, and in-store visits. It also helps build trust because customers see your business listed alongside top competitors. The local pack is a powerful tool for local businesses. By optimizing your profile and improving your local SEO, you can increase your chances of appearing here and attracting more customers. Thank you for watching. Start optimizing your local SEO today to secure a spot in the local pack and grow your business visibility. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.